Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation fast and see how it looks like. Okay, it's really amazing. Now let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In this slide we need to create this effect. For that we need to insert the heart from the icons. You can see if you have network you can access that. There is a problem in my network. I'm going to fix it and after that showing you how to do that, but it's really easy. We need to create two rectangles. After creating them we need to make them fit. Okay, now we need to insert a shape here, a rectangle, but we rotate it, put it in the middle. We go to align it center, align it middle, and select these two at first and make them fragment. Okay, sorry, I delete a wrong thing, but let me just delete this and copy that and then align it center middle, select this thing and also do fragment. I don't do that. Let's do fragment. Now your shape is ready and you need to align it center, align it middle. Now select these two and set the shape outline to none and make them color white but give one of them an outer black line and another one also. I think it's a good looking. Now we need to copy this heart, but the important thing is you can give this thing a shadow. I go with this shadow, I increase its size and its color. Okay, it's good, and also transparency. Okay, now we just need to copy this slide and here we need to move them out. Select this thing, reduce its size, bring it down, then just simply copy the text and paste it here. But before that let me just destroy this outline. Okay, now set the transition to morph. Your video is ready. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.